Come on, get it, bro. Get it. Get it, bro.
I'ma make it rain, bitch. I'ma throw some 20s, ain't got no motherfucking change, bitch. Do you want this money? Yeah. Then she keep on hollering, yeah. Then she said she wanna go in with the after party, yeah. In my fucking house.
Hit it, bro.
In your mouth, I'ma make it rain. Mr. Cloud, you so fucking wild, son. That's my fucking style, huh? Then I bend up over and say, what's up with that talk? You wanna see some ass? I wanna see some cash.
That was cold, bro. No, you did. This nigga's throwing in the Hobbill in the post roll jig, y'all. Check it out. This nigga's clowning for no reason. Hey. Oh, now you want to throw in the Hobbill, the post roll jig, and the flex, bro? Really? Go ahead and pop that flex one time. Haha. Yeah, you stupid. Hey!